Okay, so this one is kind of what I was wanting to do on the last one. I'm going to solve both of these equations for y. Okay, so I'm going to solve my first one for y. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, and that will give me y equals negative 3x plus 4. And I could be done at that point, and I could plug this in for my y right here, and that's fine if that's what you want to do. I'm just, again, trying to give you more examples of different ways to approach this. There's lots and lots of ways to approach these. So I'm also going to solve this one for y. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, and that gives me negative y. I can't get rid of that minus sign, that's still there. Negative y equals negative 5x plus 22. Divide everything by negative 1. And then I get y equals 5x minus 22. Okay, and here's why I did this. I have a y right here, and I have a y right here. That means they're the same thing. So what I can do is just set my two equations equal to each other. So I'm going to take my red y, negative 3x plus 4, and that is equal to my blue y, which is equal to 5x minus 22. Okay, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. I want to put my numbers in together and letters together and everything. Negative 3x plus 3x, that cancels. We get 4 equals 5x plus 3x is 8x minus 22. We're going to add 22 to both sides. A negative 22 and a positive 22 will cancel. 4 plus 22 gives us 26 equals 8x. Divide both sides by 8. And the 8 divided by 8 gives us just the x, 1x. 26 divided by 8. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So we have 3, and that's going to leave us with 2 eighths, which is 1/4. So 3 1/4, or 3.25. I'm not opposed to you using a calculator to figure that out. So 3.25 would be fine. If you did 26 divided by 8, you should have gotten 3.25. Okay, so let's plug that back in now, and we can use any of our equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to plug it into the red one that we got. So y is equal to negative 3 times 3.25, because we know that x is 3.25, plus 4. I'm going to put that in a calculator. I guess that would be negative 9.75. Negative 9.75 plus 4, and that will be negative 5.75. And so our ordered pair for this one would be 3.25. And I probably want my y coordinate as well. 3.25, negative 5.75. Okay, and again, just one of many ways to work that out. You don't have to solve both of them for y. You don't even have to solve for y. You could solve for x, although it'd give you some pretty less friendly fractions that you'd be working with. But you could just solve the top equation for y and plug it in. You could solve the bottom equation for y and plug it in. Any of those approaches will work. I'm just trying to give you as many examples in different ways as I can so that you can kind of get used to seeing them.